Oh my God. Whoa. Hey Glammers, Abby here and welcome back to LiveGlam's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be swatching a bunch of the perfect pink and red Kiss Me Lippies, perfect for Valentine's Day. Want to see how to give Cupid some fierce competition with these irresistible shades? Then keep watching. Okay, so this is my first time seeing a lot of these shades and I'm like getting really excited. So the first is like the one that's like speaking to me the most, and this one is Pink Cherry. So I can just tell off back, it's kind of like a metallic magenta. The thing that I love about Kiss Me is you don't need a lot and it just goes such a long way. So this one is definitely giving me like smoky eye vibes. Like I would definitely rock this with like a smoky eye and just like glitter. On to the next one. Let's see here. Ooh, another pink one. And this one is a gloss. Ooh, it's called FLIRT. Not that I'm gonna be doing any of that, but you can. Now this one is like a, I wanna say like a champagne, like a pure champagne gloss. And if I'm mistaken, there's glitter in here. So I'm definitely on board with this one. And I'm definitely gonna take this out on the town and not get flirted with. Oh, you guys know I'm such a sucker for baby pinks. So we have like a little pink casing here. I'm like getting so excited, like more excited than I should be. Oh, this one's called Valentines. Is this gonna be a match made in heaven? We'll see. Holy smokes. I always feel like I'm dealing with my other lipsticks and I always like get too much. And I gotta remember, no, this thing is like powerful. So like calm down. Wow, like literally it feels so good on my lip. It feels like silk or something. I don't know if like the casing is like telling you what it's gonna feel like, but it feels like silk. Ooh, worry not ladies, if you don't get roses this Valentine's Day, at least you'll get this Dusty Rose lipstick from Kiss Me, and I'm living for it. And this one is called Celebrity. Ooh, all tea, all shade. Let's go ahead and give this a go. Ooh, don't smell it. It just smells so freaking good. And let's give this one a swatch. Oh my God, it looks like my lips, but better. Okay, so the next one that I see is Girlfriend. Oh, promising name. It just feels so good on my lips. Honestly, I would ombre this with Pink Cherry. Like, they would go so good together. Oh, this one's like really pretty. Ooh, Girlfriend. But the next shade, oh, again with the customized wrapping. This one is called, ooh, HAKUNA MOSCATO. Let me not. But yeah, let's give her a swatch. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling no worries. Am I drunk yet? Oh, now that I put it on, like in another world, if I had blonde hair and like Barbie glasses, this would definitely be like in my purse, in my backpack, in places it shouldn't be, but on me every day. Like I'm loving it. HAKUNA MOSCATO. This looks like it's gonna be a winner. This one is called Secret Admirer. Who's watching me? Kiss me. No, but literally this one is like super gorgeous, dude. It kind of reminds me of like Barney, but like a fab Barney. But let's go ahead and give her a swatch. And of course, this is a matte one. What? Let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Again, you do not need a lot. Now this, I know I'm saying smoky eye with everything, but this definitely goes with like a smoky eye, but like a pure smoky eye. So like no browns, just with this and perfect date night. Ooh, well, what do we have here? Taking a break from the pink and hopping into the fruits, the oranges. This one is called Crush. Let's give this thing a swatch. So yeah, it's like a nude orange. I would almost say it's got like a hint of nude in it. This one's definitely more like a summer or like, I would say like Valentine's Day, like early brunch. Ooh, this will match your mimosa. Definitely. Yeah, Valentine's Day, early brunch, like something for the daytime, just to keep it light and fresh. And I would definitely do like just a little bit of like glitter on the eyes with this and like lashes. Definitely go for like the Kylie vibes, you know, there but not there kind of makeup. So Crush. Wow. All aboard this sleigh train because we're about to knock it out the park this Valentine's Day with SLAYLOR. Now this one is definitely giving me like Barbie dream house, but she kind of like grew up and got like responsibilities, but she still has fun at night. Oh my God. Whoa. Now this one, you definitely don't need to like have backup dancers because she's the main event. You could probably do like just pink, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something there, but you definitely don't need to put glitter with this. Oh wait, you definitely could though. Gloss it up. I'm having mixed feelings. Like, this makes me want to party, but it also makes me want to just sit at the bar and look. Get those passports out, ladies, because we're going to Paris. Ooh, oui. I think I will take this Kiss Me Lippie with me on my Valentine's Day date. This one is called Paris, and straight off back, it is giving me like a combination between a nude and like a, she's got something up her sleeve kind of thing going on there. Wow, oui, bonjour. Yeah, this definitely has me feeling like a tourist, and I'm ready to get my passport stamped. Definitely gonna take this with me. And you know what? Honestly, this is like the perfect color to ombre with. Like, you know, like when you ombre, you don't want to do like straight nude because then it's gonna be like, oh my god, your lips are like going off into heaven. But this has just a little bit of a tint to it, just a little bit. That would probably go great with like an orange or like a red or like a really deep color. So yeah, you definitely need this in your makeup bag to spice up those looks. Paris, oui. Oh, this one's got a really pretty top. I just love when they have like the different like wrappings for the cases. Made me so excited. And this one is called Slay My Name. Oh my god, this is like one of my favorite ones. Now this one, like if you look at it, you're gonna think like it's like a coral, but honestly, it's kind of like a peachy red. I really like it though. Like honestly, you could wear this with like a brown liner or like a smoky brown eye. But let me just shut up and show you. Okay, and of course this one is a matte. I only dipped in it once, so you really don't have to do that much to get a lot of payoff. So yeah, this one is Slay My Name. This is one of my favorite ones. I believe they have this one like in the holiday edition, and I'm just so happy that they gave it to us for Valentine's Day, so I feel like, you know, as adorable as she is, it's called Cupid. I'm dead. No, she's adorable, and she's giving me like, oh my god, like iridescent, holographic, pearly, like, oh my god, she has a Gucci bag for sure. Let's go ahead and see what she looks like on the lips. Did I say Gucci? I meant Tiffany's, definitely. She's got places to be on her own. Okay, she's independent for sure. Oh wow, like I'm definitely digging this one. She's what's gonna complement your simple look. So if you're just running out to go get your like mail, see who's been stalking you for the summer or whatever, she's definitely something that you're gonna need to have on your lips. So Cupid. Ooh. And she feels really good. Like normally, when I like press my lips with regular lipsticks, they like hold hands for a long time. But she like lets them go, and she's like so silky. So like I'm really feeling this. Cupid. Okay, so this next shade is called KISSAHOLIC. You better not. I'm just kidding though. Let's just go ahead and see what she looks like on the lips. I love it when a lipstick makes it look like I've had a dental visit. And this one, like, for some reason, makes my teeth, like, whiter. I don't know. And she's, like, I love the way this one feels on the lips. Like, what is this? It's a matte, but it feels like heaven. I don't know if that's, like, a finish that's an option, but definitely that's what it feels like. Are you ready yet? I'm ready. There she is. She's gorgeous. Last but not least, and I definitely didn't do it on purpose, but it just seems we've saved the best for last. And this one is, what a fitting name, Mi Amor. Definitely gonna be Mi Amor for this Valentine's Day season, this summer, this night, this everything. Cause she's cute, honey. Now she's giving me like purple, but like one that's got a lot of baggage. So she's got a deep past, honey, and I'm not even denying her of it. Like she's super cute. Let me just get on my lips. And as I'm pulling it out, I definitely see a little bit of like red coming through, like almost a burgundy. Like I just wanna like, can she have her like runway? Cause she's like cute. There you go, okay. Now it's time for me, bye. But let's go in with this. Where are the subtitles? Cause this just shut me up, honey. Yeah, she's definitely 21 and up, and she's ready to get loose, honey. This one is Mi Amor, and it's definitely not an understatement. You need this for your amor. Whoever said you can only have one true love was definitely wrong. This month's Kiss Me knocks it out the park. Just check out this adorable packaging, and you get 3 of them. That's 3 ways to trick your man into buying you the perfect gift. Go to liveglam.com and sign up for Kiss Me and get that gift that you want, and also get these while you're at it. Which Kiss Me Lippie will you be wearing this Valentine's season? Choices. If you ask me, I'll take one of each, please. Either way, let us know in the comments down below which is your favorite, and make sure to tag LiveGlam in all your Luxe looks.